I'm Mechelle Merrill, and my husband Rob Merrill and I are Trailer Magic, and we're a small vintage trailer restoration business based out of Carson City, Nevada. And this is one trailer we did. This is Gidget. She's a 1965 Fireball. If you'd like to come take a look at Gidget, come on in. Gidget has some nice features. It's got a microwave, which is really helpful. It's got an induction cooktop here instead of a traditional stove, because typically we try to build our trailers without propane for safety reasons. Gidget has a full wet room bathroom, toilet, shower, sink, and vintage lighting. Sorry for the bathrobe. She has a water heater, a hot water heater, and storage for groceries and things, a working refrigerator. This bed opens up into, I'd say probably a double-sized bed, and it pulls out. It's all birch, and actually this is all birch paneling and original vintage light fixtures. That screen right there covers the air conditioner, and it has a remote control, and on the outside I'll show you where the air conditioner is. See? Just a traditional air conditioner.
Very creative idea.
Thank you. We use the vintage suitcases to house our awning and our cook stove, and we restore vintage patio furniture because we try to keep the vintage theme as much as we can in everything we do. We really pride ourselves on the work we do with color and design, and we try to bring in as many of the vintage features as we can, and we work really closely with the owner to make sure it meets their vision and their dream for how they want their trailer to be.
On board are two 6-volt batteries run in parallel for 100 amp hours of 12-volt power. Trailer Magic also added a Progressive Dynamics all-in-one power converter charge controller to this restored Fireball trailer that plugs into 30 amp service shore power.